Good morning, children. Today we will continue with the second lesson. In SST, lesson is centuries. Our next topic in this lesson is about different types of birds. To see different types of birds, we must visit Vedandangal Bird Sanctuary. It is in Vedandangal. It is 25 kilometers from Chengalpattu. There are some really unique and colorful birds. Birds that migrate from different parts of the world can be found here. We can find pelicans, night herons, and many more birds. Migrate means a bird or animal moves from one place to another due to change in seasons. Peacocks can be found in their natural habitat at Viralimalai in Tirchi. Natural habitat includes land and water areas. Habitat means the natural environment of an animal, plant, or other organism. Now we will see the differences between birds that migrate and birds that do not migrate. Birds that migrate means is the regular seasonal movement. Birds that do not migrate means these are the resident birds that live in the same place throughout the year without migrating. Resident means they adapt to their environments. Vedandangal Bird Sanctuary is the oldest water birds sanctuary in India. Next is the one-horned rhinoceros. The one-horned rhinoceros are very rare species of rhinoceros are protected in Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park, it is in Assam. Kaziranga National Park is the home of one-horned rhinoceros. It has around 2/3 of all rhinoceros in the world. Due to the successful conservation efforts, the number of one-horned rhinoceros has been increased. Some of the animals or birds found in the following places. In Viralimalai Sanctuary, we can see peacock. In Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, we can see Nilgiri tar, leopard, black panther, and elephant. In Kaziranga National Park, we can see one-horned rhinoceros. In Corbett National Park, we can see Bengal tiger. The three biosphere reserves in Tamil Nadu are Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve, and Agastya Malai Biosphere Reserve. Next, we will see about Asiatic lions. Gir National Park in Gujarat has Asiatic lions. Animals, birds, and different types of plants or important part of our environment. Environment means the natural place where the plant or animal live. We must never harm animals, children. It is our duty to protect them. Now we will recap this lesson, children. Sanctuaries or national parks or places where animals and birds are protected from hunting and other human activities. Biosphere reserves are the places where plants, animals and birds are protected. Royal Bengal tigers can be seen in Corbett National Park. It is in Uttarakhand, and Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal. Some biosphere reserves in Tamil Nadu include Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve and Agastya Malai Biosphere Reserve. Kaziranga National Park in Assam is the home of one-horned rhinoceros. Okay children, with this our second lesson gets over. Have you all enjoyed learning this lesson, children? Okay children, that's all for today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.